Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Leo. Leo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay. Leo people, in this reading, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. King of Pentacles. So Leo, this is your current energy. And Two of Wands. This is your partner's current energy. Okay. So we have King of Pentacles. Leo people, I feel that you are being somebody who, or you are acting as somebody who has everything in life, but at some point of time you feel that, oh my god, this is the one thing which is missing from my life. Even though I am king, I have every luxury in my life, I have every source of happiness in my life, be it emotion, be it financial things, be it materialistic things, be it family, friends, or loved ones. Okay, but something is there which haunts you, which makes you a little sad. Okay, which for which you feel really bad about. Okay, so something is there which is killing you inside out, but being a king you are not allowed to say this thing. Okay, or you feel that, oh no, I cannot show my this emotion to anyone. Okay, so something is there which is eating you up from up inside out. Okay, there is something you are feeling, you are missing something really badly. Okay, you are feeling regretful about something in life. Okay, or you are feeling really sad about something in life. Maybe you have lost something, or you have lost someone which you cannot share with your family and friends. Okay, um it could be anything, it could be anything, it could be your new job proposal, it could be your new job offer, it could be your new career path, it could be anything. Okay, so there is something for you, you are feeling regretful, but being a king you are not allowed to show your emotions. And being a king you are acting very tough, that hey, I don't even care if something is with me or not, I have everything in life. But that's not the case, that's not the case, Leo. Okay, so you have everything, but still something is there which is missing. You need to see what is this. Okay, now let's see what is your partner's current energy, Leo. So we have Two of Wands. Leo, I feel that your person really wants to move out somewhere. Okay, they are, they must be planning to move out from their current location. Okay, maybe perhaps they want to shift or settle down in some other city or some other country or some other continent. Okay, they are watching a ocean, they have ocean in front of him. Okay, or in front of them. So they have immense they have a large scale of opportunity, large scale of, they see that, okay, the world is my opportunity, I have lot of opportunities in life. Okay, the moment I'll step down from this place, I have so many options in life. Okay, I have so many blessings in life. Okay, to get to fulfill. Okay, plus they are they are, even though they are not taking any actions. Okay, but this is something which is going into their mind. Okay, perhaps they are working somewhere, but they feel they are someone who is visionary basically. So perhaps they must be working in your own company, or in a very in another company, or they must be doing some small business. So now they feel that now it is the time for me to expand that business. Okay, it is the time for me to look for another job in another city, another country, another province, another continent. Okay, so they are someone who is a visionary person. Okay. hmm. So that was your partner's current energy. Okay, now let's see, Leo, what you feel about your person and your person feels about you. What? Oh my god, Five of Pentacles. Leo, you feel that your person is heartbroken. Okay, somebody from their own family or somebody from their own social circle, okay, have disowned them. They have cheated on them, they have left them in cold. You feel that this person is feeling really sad, okay, this person is completely alone, this person is completely broken from inside, okay. Perhaps it could happen that perhaps this is one of the reasons that your person wants to move out from their current location. So with this Five of Pentacles, you feel that this person is broken from inside. This person, their own family and friends have disowned them. They are completely broken, okay. They have no hopes left in life, okay. Or they just want to, they are just moving out from some place, okay. They are just moving out from some place. Perhaps their own loved ones has kicked them out from their life. Okay, so that's what you feel about them, Leo. Now let's see what your person feels about you, Leo. Okay, so we have Three of Pentacles. Leo, your person feels about you that you are somebody who is very determined to take certain action in your life, okay. That action is going to be for your own success, for your expansion. They see you as somebody who always, take guidance from the elders, who always take uh, uh, who always look up to the elders for guidance, okay. Who always speak or in touch with the people, okay, to know or to, I mean, to know how they can move ahead in life, okay. Plus it could also happen, Leo, that your person feels that perhaps you are into, perhaps you are the someone who is in relationship with the other person, okay. They feel that there is somebody else in your life, okay. Perhaps they feel that you are cheating on them. It could also happen, Leo. Perhaps they feel that you are the one who is not confronting their emotion in front of them. They feel that you are cheating on them, they feel dished by you. They feel that you have cheated on them, that's why they are showing this Five of Pentacle energy. But you are not aware of this thing. I feel that you are somebody who is taking guidance, who must be in talking terms with so many people, but when it comes to emotions and love, you have only one person. You have only one person, which is them. But they feel perhaps you have not spoken to your person, that's why they feel that you are cheating on them. But that's why they feel that you are with somebody else, okay. I feel that this relationship needs a better communication. You need to inform your person that, hey, I'm talking to XYZ person, okay, to know something or to get idea about something or to gain knowledge about something, okay. This is the case. I feel that this is the case. Your person feels that you are in love with somebody else, or there is somebody else in your life. That's why they are feeling, left out. And it's you who has made them feel like that way. That's why they are feeling, that's why they just want to move out as fast as they can, or maybe just they just want to move out from this current place. And this is the reason there is no communication between you and your person. This is the reason you are feeling sad and bad. Everything is connected, okay. See, everything is connected. You are feeling sad. I told you in the beginning of your reading that you are missing something or missing someone, okay. Your person is looking for some other ways or some new directions in life. You feel that your person is feeling left out. Your person feels that you are in relationship with the other person. So everything is connected. Because they feel that you are cheating on them, that's why you feel that they are feeling they are feeling left out by someone, okay. And since they feel that you are with someone, they just want to move out from this place, okay. And they are not talking to you, okay. This is the reason you are feeling sad and bad. You are missing your person, Leo. Okay, now let's see what you see. I mean, How do you see this relationship? Okay, Chariot. And how they see this relationship. Leo, with this Chariot card in reverse, I feel that in the beginning of your relationship, you must have felt that, oh my God, this is the only one with whom I would like to spend rest of my life. This is the relationship. I mean, this is the relationship for which I was waiting from very long time. Okay, so but now I feel that since there is so many confusion in this relationship, there is so many lack of communication in this relationship, so that's why you are feeling that, oh my God, this relationship is not you know it's not that it is not the best relationship for you. This is the best relationship for you, but for the time being you are seeing this relationship as, you feel that this person is moving out of your hands. Okay, you feel that you are just losing them. Okay, or you are losing your person. Okay, you have sense of you feel that you can't take a lead of this relationship, or you can't, or you don't want to take a lead of this relationship. Okay, perhaps you have left everything on God or on them, on your, I mean, your person. On the other hand, with this Knight of Wand cards, I feel that your person feels this relationship as they feel about this relationship as they can take any action towards this relationship. It could be in a good manner, it could be in a bad manner. I don't know in what manner they are going to take action, or they feel that they should take action. Okay, but I feel that they really want to take certain action in this relationship. With this Knight of Wand cards, I feel the moment you have lost hope that I can't take this relationship, or I can't uh, lead this relationship. I feel the moment you will start thinking about this feeling, or I feel that you are thinking about it. The moment you will start thinking about it, they will pick this relationship from that end. Okay, so they will take the lead of this relationship into their hand, and that's what they are doing right now. Okay, that's what they are doing. Okay, now let's see what is the future potential for Leo. So we have got two cards. This person has emotions for you, Leo. This person has genuine emotions for you. They care about you, they love you, they adore you, they respect you. But I feel that I told you that time is not right. Okay, maybe this is not your time to communicate, I mean to talk, or to to do anything in this relationship. This is the reason this person is waiting for the correct time to offer you this Knight of Cups. Okay, this person is standing just next to the river. Okay, perhaps they are waiting for the right time so that they can move ahead. But I strongly feel that this person really loves you. This person has genuine emotions for you. Okay, but as I said, they are waiting for the right time. Perhaps they are waiting for the right time. I feel that they are also, I mean, with this card, I feel I am getting one, I one thought that maybe they are just, looking, or maybe they are just waiting for the correct time to speak to you. Okay, but because at this point of time, your relationship is going through from a very delicate time. Okay, so your person feels that no, it is not the right time for me to communicate with my Leo person. Okay, so I'll wait and see when I can go ahead and offer them this Knight of Cups. So I feel that your person must be waiting here for the correct time to talk to you. Okay, and the time, when the time will be right, they will come and talk to you. Okay. Okay. So Leo, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, the earth sign with this King of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles. Some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Knight of Cups, King of Cups. Some of you must be dealing with Cancer with this Chariot in reverse. Some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Knight of Wands and Two of Wands. Okay. Okay, so Leo, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye, and wish you a very happy new year.